Also, Julianne. Come on. Also, Lily.
Are you gonna be shy again?
We have Drew. Come on up. Ida. Luna. Alicia. Max. And Lauren. Lauren. Hyden. Okay, next I am going to hand out, this award is for Outstanding Scholar for Trimester 3, and this award is going to Lily. We have Citizen of the Month for April, and that is Alicia. And Citizen of the Month for May, Craig. Language learners, and this is for True. And then I have for honor roll. I had 3 students make honor roll this trimester. Madison. Julianne. And that is it for Miss Halsey's class.
Okay, parents, you can take a picture with Miss